Hi everyone, welcome to Fox and Her Creations. I'm Bree and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the embroidered back stitch. This is a very simple stitch. It is basically a connected running stitch, at least that's what I'm calling it. And it's easier if you have an outline or lines that you need to follow as a guide. And this stitch technique is kind of a loop-de-loop technique. And you'll see here in a minute what I mean by that. And so what you're gonna do is come up through your fabric like you normally do. And then you're gonna go down from that about, let's say about 1/8 of an inch. Just depends on how big you want your stitches to be. And then it also depends on how detailed your outline is gonna be. So then I'm also gonna come back up through the fabric about the same length of the stitch I want. And so I'm gonna come up and complete my first stitch. And then I'm gonna go down into the bottom of the last stitch to connect them. So you can see how it's kind of a loop-de-loop kind of motion in your fabric. And there are ways to weave your needle in and out of your fabric to make it easier, but I'm gonna speed this process up, so be back. So next I'm going to show you how to do this if you happen to have like a doodle you want to follow or lettering, and I'm just going to pop out my pen here and trace it out real fast. And you can see I'm just doing a random line. This is just for an example. And so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come up through the fabric, but you'll see I'm going to make much smaller stitches. So they're almost like a skinny 1/8 of an inch, pushing a 1/16. Maybe not so much a 1/16, I should say. It's significantly smaller. You can see how small they are. They're like little beads. And so when you're doing curves, you want to do smaller stitches. So I'm going to speed this up again. So you can see making smaller stitches actually benefits you when you're doing small curves or doodles, especially when you're doing lettering and you don't want to use a chain stitch to do it. I can't talk. But thank you for watching, and this is how you do the back stitch. So bye-bye.